All right, guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Today, we got a little different video. If you watched my previous video that I went to Atomic Horror here in Orlando, Florida, it's a horror collectible store. I made a purchase, well, a couple purchases that was quite expensive. I had to do it because there's something, there's an event coming up. I ain't beating around the bush. There's a event coming up here soon at the end of May called Spooky Empire. And Brad Dourif, I think that's how you say his name, right? Dourif. He's the actor that voices Child's Play, and he plays in Halloween, all kinds of different stuff. But anyway, made a purchase, two purchases. This is what I got. It's not a body or anything. It's a NECA Chucky doll. Something I've been wanting since I was a kid, and now I got one. And what I'm gonna do, I wanna take this, the Spooky Empire with me, and we'll have Brad Dourif sign it all. So that's the goal. But I never opened it yet, so we're gonna unbox the doll, but not just this doll. We have another surprise. We have another doll. And you guys probably seen the picture, so you probably know what this is. We have Tiffany from Bride of Chucky. And let me tell you guys, these dolls, super hard to get right now. NECA's website completely sold out. I checked on eBay and they want around $800 to $1,000 for each one of these dolls, but I got them for $950, both of them. And I got it at Atomic Horror. I bought them that day and I lucked out. They only had one left of each. Yeah, it must be meant to be. So like I said, I'm gonna have Brad sign this one, and hopefully it'd be cool if Jennifer Tilly shows up and she could sign this one too. But if not, I'll track her down at one of the conventions and we'll get it signed. We'll definitely get them signed. But yeah, let's, you know what? Let's start with Chucky, and we'll unbox him first. Grab some scissors, you know. And you can't unbox the Chucky without some classic doll scissors. Well, it ain't doll scissors, but you know, some Chucky would use to take out someone. But all right, here we go. Let's unbox NECA's Bride of Chucky doll. Here we go. This thing looks amazing. I'll be super careful. I'll be super careful with this because these boxes by themselves online, not even with the doll, they're selling for around $150 to $200 in good shape. This one's a little dinged up, but it kind of adds to the character, you know? Got a little corner chip, but it's okay. All right, here we go. Guys, I'm so excited for this. I've been wanting one of these for a long time now, so. I just think Chucky, Child's Play movies, is just one of those movies, like, it just paved the way to a lot of different horror movies out there. And the original Child's Play, 1 through 3 is my favorite. I do like Bride of Chucky too, but the original 3 is top notch. So, all right, my goodness.
Get me out of this goddamn box, DJ, you big asshole.
Light keeps moving. Does it slide out? What is it, like a box within a box? You know, maybe? Yeah, it's like a box inside of a box. Try not to destroy it. Try not to destroy the box because, like I said, I want to keep it good condition as well. Let me see if I can put it down here. Maybe lift up.
That hurts you, bitch.
My gosh. This is, okay. We're getting it. Starting to sweat. I could use another hand to get this out of here. It's like stuck. All right, here we go. Come on, Chucky. See if we lay it down. All right, we're getting it. We're getting somewhere, guys. We're getting somewhere. Here we go. I'll try not to rip the box, the main box. All right, this is a little difficult. Come on, Chucky. We're almost there. All right, we got it. Woo! He's out of his box. That was a workout, but my goodness, look at this. This is insane. Now we gotta take the little twisty things off the back. You gotta love those. I don't know why they keep putting those things on stuff. I hate them. Chucky. People watching me through my window right now, they probably think I'm crazy. Chucky doll. All right, give me just a second. I'm tying all these twisty things. Still there, Chucky?
Fuck
all right,
you.
Here we go. See if we can pull him out of here. Get all this stuff off of him. Guys, he's just creepy. And another thing, the eyes, you can adjust them to look at you or your neighbor or your ex-girlfriend to scare her away because you want her to be gone. They got him in here like he's gonna escape. Maybe he will. Chucky. My goodness. Here he is. He's so awesome. He fix his hair though. Wow.
Don't make me look like Justin Bieber, you asshole.
Can you adjust him? You can bend him. Just gotta be careful. His body's like a hard foam. Just like a doll foam. But yeah, you can get like little weapons, knives, voodoo dolls, whatever you want for him. But wow, he is cool, let me tell you. Let's adjust his eyes. Look at this. You know, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna bring you around here. We're gonna do it this way. Me and Charles Lee Ray. Look at this. Look at that. My goodness. This is so cool. Pull his other eye down. My gosh. Guys, that is creepy. That is
really
cool.
need to get out of this goddamn
This
body.
is rad. There he is. There's Charles. My goodness. Guys.
I should slit your fucking throat.
It's like one of those things,
You talk too fucking
it
much.
just hits. I know it might seem weird. It's a doll, right? But it just like, this is so cool. This is like, you know, my childhood and just thinking back, like when I was younger, how I always, you know, dreamed of having like a Chucky doll. And, you know, back in the 90s, early 2000s, you know, you couldn't really get anything like that. But having one now, and it's really gonna complete it, getting Brad Dorff to sign this thing. This is gonna be so cool. Maybe I can bend him. Maybe I can set him down. See if we can, just wanna be very careful. Maybe just set him right here. Then we'll put him right here. If he'll stay, if he won't fall. Hold on, see if we can get him. Okay, there he is. This is so cool. Stay there, Chucky. All right, now we're gonna open Chucky's bride, his wife, Jennifer Tilly. So this doll too, very hard to find. Now they're making the Seed of Chucky version. Also, they're making the Chucky series dolls. So these ones are very hard to come by now. So it's just, it's really nice to have them, because to me, it was like meant to be for me to have it, because only one doll left. And like I said, online, you cannot find them. They're sold out right now. And Spooky Empire, the convention starts at the end of May. So I don't have much time, because this is like April 24th. So I kind of need to hurry up, but here we go. Unboxing Tiffany. Trying to keep these boxes though in good shape. That's the hard thing, because they are kind of sensitive. I ain't gonna lie. You can tear the boxes up pretty easy. She's gonna look amazing too. I've seen videos online and it just looks unreal, to be honest. But let me tell you, they make these dolls super hard to get out. Let's see if we can get her out better. I'm gonna try it this way. Maybe I should have used, before I cut it, maybe somehow I can pull her out. Yeah, there's like, it's like a box within a box. So here we go. Okay, she's coming out a little easier. Here we go, we got her. I think so. Don't tear up. Let's see if we get it. Come on, Tiff. Come on, Miss Tilly. Let's go. All right, yeah, hers is coming out easy. There we go. Whoa. Chucky, here's your bride, buddy. Oh, this is so rad. So cool, but now we got all the twisty things on the backside. She comes with like a little necklace, so hell yeah. Now it's time to get these twisty things cut. I just hate these things. I hate the twisty things. I know why they do it. They don't want it to fall or nothing, but okay. Chucky's was like super difficult. This one ain't that bad. Tiff, about lost her. She wants out of there. She sees Chucky and like, damn, that's my husband. All right, this is just great. She got like a little chest tattoo.
Don't worry, Tiff. You will get my 3 inches later.
Take this hairnet off of her. Wow, my goodness, Tiff. Whoa, what just happened? This is just insane. Her little leather jacket, gotta fix her hair. This is crazy. Try to get her to stand. Hold on. There we go. People are probably looking. Got 2 dolls. Gotta fix her eyes. Come on, Tiff. All right, let's fix your eyes. Well, one's already fixed, but I gotta fix the other. It just looks so great. Look at that. The eyes, everything. It's just like, I mean, I ain't gonna lie, guys. Are these dolls worth the money? 100% worth the money. Chucky, you stay right there. I don't trust you. 100%. This is so cool. Look at that. Wow, this is fun. This means a lot to me, like I said. I can't believe I have them. This is really neat. I'm gonna do a little video and a little edit for you guys to show these dolls off. And all the little detail, they're just amazing. They're amazing. Yeah, if you guys will, I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check out the rest of my videos if you guys want to see me go into different like horror conventions and cosplay conventions, theme parks, and all that. This is a different video for me, but with that being said, guys, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna do a sick edit. Well, I don't know how sick it'd be, but I'm gonna do a full edit of these dolls. Yeah, gonna leave you with that. So with that being said, guys, Tiffany and Chucky, subscribe for them at least, you know. But thanks guys for watching, I appreciate it. Now it's time to go back to reality. I'm out.
Hey everyone, this is Chucky. Go like this big asshole's video and make sure you subscribe. Have a nice fucking day. Bye.